day 2. Everyone in the background just getting ready. General public is going to be coming in very soon. I'll give you a quick tour through what I've done for this particular show. This is our Brisbricks Chandler 2025 event. Alright, first up we've got our marble maze, where kids have to move that marble around, something that they can actually build at home. Then we've got ourselves our domino stacker. Go through. Oh, missed one. Got ourselves our domino sorter. Come through, pop the dominoes into the right spots. Then we've got our succulent sorter going through and putting each one of the succulents into a different spot. Got our little useless box. We've got our game of Simon, where we go through and you have to memorize the patterns. And then we've got the automators, so a lot of fun for the kids to make these ones just move. And then on the end is the big one. Alright, and so that's it for 2025 setup.